Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses relays for the Purge Valve, Purge Control Valve are located on Mercedes GLC D generation right here guys. Please do not waste guys any money on parts, tools and diagnostics if you have problems with your Purge Control Valve. It could be simple fix, we'll talk about that. And after that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out guys, that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the Purge Valve, Purge Control Valve, before we start guys, okay, if you have problems code related to Purge Valve, always test your Purge Control Valve. Having a code doesn't mean you have a bad valve, okay? It could be leaking valve, loose connector, broken wire, contaminated wire as well. But always test the Purge Control Valve. We'll have videos on the channel how to do that. About fuses and relays, we'll be working in multiple fuse boxes today. Make sure to stay until the end, that way you do not miss very important information. Go ahead and open the front right passenger door. In the passenger side footwell compartment on the side of the APO, you have a cover. Open that cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Guys, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here guys, what we need to check, multiple fuses. Today will need to be checked. In that fuse box specifically only one, and that's fuse 315 right here that we will need to check. Now we need to open the hood. Here we'll be working under the hood in 2 different fuse boxes. The first one facing the engine, it's on the right side. This is the driver's side. Remove that cover and underneath you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. We need to check specifically here fuse 122, fuse 126, relay G. And here guys, under that cover you have 2 relays, J and O. Relay J is right here, integrated relay, that you need to check as well. Next, under the hood again, but this time facing the engine on the left side, passenger side, this is the positive jump starter terminal here. Remove the cover and you're going to see that you actually have a built-in fuse box in that jump starter terminal. That's the back side of it. You have multiple cables coming out of everywhere. And if you open it, it will look something close like this one. You have multiple, mega fuses here. Now, guys, depending on the year and model, you have 2 different kinds. If you have that kind, the main fuse you need to check is fuse number 3. But since you're already here, test all of the fuses, because another fuse can cause that problem too sometimes, secondary fuse. Now, that's the second kind. And in that case, you will need to check specifically fuse number 5, right here. And we're not done. you need to come to the trunk of your Mercedes. Open the trunk, this is the cargo cover, lift it up, underneath you're going to find that flap, open it, and you're going to find another fuse box. Here you need to check fuse 442 and fuse 451, right here. These two fuses, guys, will need to be checked as well. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.